FEC's number 107. There we go. Here in downtown West Palm Beach with the Saraceno brothers. Hashtag squad goals. Just met up with 218 and here right above us in West Palm. Have another foul K5HL. What's with all the foul K5? What's with all the fouled horns lately? $8.13. 88.11. Beauty rest. There goes the bottom end, people. Woo! Wow, that's as close as you can get without trespassing, y'all. EOT passing us at 11:53. Wow, that was cool. That was crazy cool, bro. All in my video, bro. Anyway, BBT 609 here along with the Saraceno brothers. Hashtag squad goals. Florida East Coast main line. Have a safe trip to the crew. 218 and 107. Look, listen, and live. We might see a CSX, but I don't know. I would say stay tuned for it, but I kind of don't know. So, out. Look at homeboy, like he's just cruising on the skateboard, dog. Look at him. Just straight going. And you know what? He ain't playing Pokemon, so that's a good thing. Yeah, let me make a quick PSA about it. If you play Pokemon, please be aware of your surroundings. Please don't use the railroad tracks as an excuse to say, like, you didn't... It says, be aware of your surroundings. So if you end up on the railroad tracks, get off. Like, it says it right here. No trespassing. So that's my little quick PSA. Be aware of your surroundings and get some exercise while you're doing Pokemon Go. Anyway, BBT 609. Look, listen, and live. Out of here.